Hey guys, it's Austin at Hunt Ford Chrysler in Franklin, Kentucky. I've got some cool information for you. Ford has officially announced the new Ranger. You know, a lot of people have been talking about it. There's been a lot of buzz on the internet, and it's finally happening. You know, everybody thought that the Ranger was going to have an option for the EcoBoost motor, and of course it does. They're going to offer it in a 2.3 liter EcoBoost, which is not a new motor. That's a motor that they've actually had as an option in the Explorer for a while. So we're excited to see that. There's 3 trim levels that the Ranger is going to be offered in the XL, the XLT, and the Lariat. Anybody that knows Fords is familiar with those trim levels. You're also going to be able to get a chrome package vehicle or a sport package. Sport package looks more, you know, sporty and street-like with color-keyed bumpers, while the chrome packages have more of a chrome flashy look. You can get it with the FX4 package. So like the F-150s, they come with Rancho shocks, skid plates, hill descent control. We assume that it's going to be the same as it is on the F-150s, but we wouldn't swear to it. You can also get the Ranger in a crew cab or an extended cab. There is no regular cab offering, but that's not to say there won't be in the future. So we're really excited to see these trucks. If you all have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. You can get a hold of us with that 888 number that's on the screen there. Remember, we're at Hunt Ford Chrysler in Franklin, Kentucky. That's 625 Garvin Lane. We're right off I-65, exit 6, the home of no dealer fees and no dock fees. So thanks for your time. If you've got any questions, please give us a shout. Thanks. Have a great day.